Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And this is Sanjana. Today our topic is what you can see in the environment. Let's dive in. I can see a boy flying kite. I can see many vehicles on the road. I can see a lot of people on the train. I can see a lot of people at the railway station. I can see few people at the bus stand. I can see some people crossing the road. I can see a girl walking in the building. I can see a nest on the tree. I can see a military guy with the bike. I can see a girl at the cafe. I can see some people waiting in the queue for petrol. I can see some birds in the cage. I can see some rabbits in the cage. I can see a golden car in the parking lot. I can see a man selling fruits. I can see a beautiful garden around me. I can see some people buying food at the restaurant. I can see an elephant in the field. I can see some statues at the shop. I hope you enjoy my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the big thumbs up and alarm notification bell. And share this video with your friends. I will see you next episode. Bye.